Hello, I'm Anu from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about multiplication. In this lesson we are going to learn about times table of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Also we are going to learn how to use times table for multiplication. Now let's move forward and do these warm-up questions. For trying them, you can pause this video, and once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. These are the answers. Pat your back for your effort and well done for trying. Now let's get started with our topics. So we are going to learn about times tables. One of the main property of multiplication is that it is done with the help of addition. For example, if you want to do 4 times 3 or 4 lots of 3, we will be adding 3 4 times. So 3 add 3 6, 9 and 12. So for writing 4 times 3, we can add 3 4 times, which is equal to 12. So we are going to use this property to find out the times table. We'll start with the times table of 6. So for 6 times 1, we will have to find out how many will be there in 1 lots of 6. So there's 1 lots of 6, which is equal to 6. So 6 times 6 is 6. Now, for 6 times 2, we have to find out how many counters would be there in 2 lots of 6, which is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. Then 6 times 3, 3 lots of 6, 1, 2, 3. We will count the number of counters here, and which is 18. Similarly, for 6 times 4, we have to count the number of counters in here, which is equal to 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. Now let's complete this table. 6 times 5 or 5 lots of 6 will be 30. Then 6 lots of 6 will have 36 in here. Then 7 lots of 6 will be 42. Then 6 lots of 8 is equal to 48. Then 6 lots of 9 will be 54. Then 6 times 10 or 6 lots of 10 would make 60. Now we will learn about the times table of 7. It will be done with the same technique that we used for times table of 6. 7 times 1 or 1 lot of 7 is equal to 7. Then 2 lots of 7 will make 14. So 7 times 2 will be 14. 3 lots of 7 will make 21. So 7 times 3 is 21. Now 4 lots of 7 will be equal to 28. Now once again we will complete the times table of 7 here. So 5 lots of 7 will be equal to 35. Then 6 lots of 7 will make 42. 7 lots of 7 will make 49. 8 lots of 7 will make 56. 7 lots of 9 would be 63. And 10 lots of 7 will be 70. So we have completed the times table of 7. Now we'll move ahead and try the times table of 8. So 1 lot of 8 is equal to 8. 2 lots of 8 will be 8 add 8, 16. 3 lots of 8, 8 add 8 will be 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. Then 4 lots of 8, 8 add 8, 16, 16 add 8, 24, 24 add 8, 32. So that will be 32. That means 8 times 4 is going to be 32. Now, 5 lots of 8 will be 40. Then 6 lots of 8 will make 48. 7 lots of 9 will be equal, 7 lots of 8 will be equal to 56. 8 lots of 8 will be equal to 64. 9 lots of 8 will be 72, or 8 times 9 will be 72. Similarly, 10 lots of 8 will be equal to 80, which is 8 times 10. Now let's move ahead and try the times table of 9 this time. 9 times 1, or 1 lot of 9, is equal to 9. Then 2 lots of 9 will be equal to 9 add 9, which is 18. 3 lots of 9, 9 add 9, 18, 18 add 9, 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. Then 4 lots of 9, 9 add 9, 18, 18 add 9, 27, 27 add 9 is 36. So 9 times 4 is 36. Then similarly, 9 times 5, or 5 lots of 9, will be equal to 45. Then 6 lots of 9, or 9 times 6, will be 54. 7 lots of 9, or 9 times 7, will be 63. Then 8 lots of 9, or 9 times 8, will be 72. And 9 times 9, or 9 lots of 9, is equal to 81. And the last one, 10 lots of 9, will be 90. So far we have learned how to calculate the times table of 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will see how we can use it to multiply. We can use our knowledge of times table instead of repeated adding to shorten our work. For example, instead of adding 5 6 times, we can use our times table of 6 to find out what is 5 times 6. So if we know the times table of 6, we can easily find out what is 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. Similarly, to find out 8 times 4, we can use our knowledge of 8 times table, which is equal to 32. Now let's see how we can use it with this example. So James has 7 boxes of pencil, and each box contains 9 pencils. How many pencils does she have altogether? So in this question, we notice that we have to multiply 7 by 9 in order to find out the total number of pencils. So if we know the times table of 7, we can find out what is 9 lots of 7, which is equal to 63. So James will have 63 pencils altogether. Now it's time to practice some questions. These are the questions for you. You can pause this video and work it out, and once you are done, you can resume and check your answers. These are the answers. Very well done for trying, and congratulations if you are correct. So that is it. That's all for the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.